Hey guys, today we are making Pizza Bianca or white pizza. It is a favorite in our household and it's so simple to make. It starts off by using our gluten-free pizza dough and then it uses 3 cheeses, mozzarella, pecorino romano, and ricotta. It also uses garlic and a little bit of olive oil. Simple ingredients for a super delicious meal. Our version, of course, is gluten-free, nut-free, eggless, and it can be made dairy-free, of course, by using dairy-free cheeses. So come on, let's make it. We're going to start out by mixing hot water and granulated sugar. The water needs to be 110 degrees. Add our yeast, whisk again, and let it sit 5 minutes until it plumes just like this. While that's sitting, we're going to take our gluten-free flour, baking powder, and kosher salt and mix it together in a bowl. Once the yeast is ready to go, give it a little whisk, and then we're going to add it into our flour mixture with a fork until we get a nice soft dough. If you find that the dough is far too sticky, you can just add a tablespoon of flour here and there, a little at a time, until it is easier to work with. We just want it in a nice round ball. Cover with a clean dish towel and let rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, take it out and we're gonna knead it into a ball. Once again, add more flour here and there if you find it's too sticky. Once it is perfect to work with, put it on your pizza pan and we are going to push it from the center towards the edges of the pizza pan. Just a little at a time, go slow so it doesn't tear. And once again, if it's too sticky, add more flour here and there. Next, we're going to Parbake it for 8 minutes and that is it. Now we're going to make our Pizza Bianca. We're going to make our garlic ricotta and we simply just add garlic powder to our ricotta with a little bit of kosher salt and mix it together until combined. Now we're going to place about 2.5 cups of shredded mozzarella on top of the par-baked dough. Make sure you don't cover the edges. Add a little garlic powder, our pecorino romano, and now we're going to dollop our garlic ricotta all over the top of the pie. Next, we are going to brush the crust with a little bit of olive oil all the way around so it gets a nice little golden color, and we are going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil on top of the pie. Bake for an additional 10 to 12 minutes until all the cheeses are melted, and that is it. This is a weekly dinner in our home, and I hope you guys love it as much as we do. Enjoy. So good. Thanks so much for watching. You can find the complete recipe with step-by-step photos on the blog Lean and Gray Fare, which I have linked below. And for more decadent gluten-free, nut-free, and egg-free recipes, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you want to see more recipe videos just like this one, make sure to ring the notification bell so you never miss a single recipe. Thanks so much.